Aquarius, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. It has page been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is me. It's all about me, me, me. It's kind of a me day. It's okay to be selfish because when you are self-sustained, that's only when you can help anyone else. If you have any ailments, if you're drained, if you have not charged your battery, taking care of your health, how can you help another? What does it benefit you to have your heart's desires and you can't enjoy it due to poor health, poor thinking, therefore you can't help anyone else? Take care of yourself today. Have your favorite meal, favorite beverage, your favorite hobbies. You're not missing out. Do your favorite thing. Do your thing and enjoy your life. You're original. One of one. You came in this world by yourself. You're going to leave by yourself. Leave your mark. I allow serenity to reign in me. The love I have for myself invites harmony to settle within my being. I listen to and honor and strive to fulfill the needs of my soul. Therefore, you're successful, effective, and helpful to everyone. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.